How to fix Instagram promotion page something went wrong error. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. Firstly, you have to check for your Wi-Fi connection. When your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, you may face such issue. In such a case, you can just switch it up with your cellular data or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds and turn it back off. And the second step is to open up your phone settings. In your phone setting, with all of these options, scroll down, then tap on Apps, then head to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for your Instagram application and tap on it. Force stop your application, head to Storage and Cache and clear the cache. This will help to fix any of the bug or the glitch issue. While you are in your setting, locate the option of System Update. Make sure that your mobile device is up to date as well. Now, you can also press and hold onto your Instagram application to head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Now, this should solve your issue of your Instagram promotion page not working. However, if it's not, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. In here, tap on your application and check for an update. If there is any, leave it for an update, or the last resort is to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.